the essential tools every serious crypto trader needs in 2025. If you're still guessing in crypto, you're already behind. In 2025, serious traders aren't just watching the charts anymore. They're using powerful tools for backtesting, analysis, order flow, sentiment, and journaling. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the exact tools professional crypto traders are using and how you can start using them to trade smarter today. What's up, traders? Whether you're just starting out or aiming for that next level for funded accounts, consistent profits, and real performance, today's video is for you. I'll walk you through the must-have tools every serious crypto trader should be using in 2025. From strategy testing to emotional discipline, this is the setup that separates the gamblers from the pros. If you get value from this, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. So let's start with the base of everything, TradingView. It's more than just charts, it's your visual command center. This is where you get real-time price data, hundreds of indicators and strategies, a strategy tester for simple backtesting, multi-time frame analysis, and also PineScript. This is for building custom indicators or automations. Pro tip, create custom layouts for different strategies, breakout setups, trend continuation, mean reversion, etc. Organize your view like a pro. Let's talk about backtesting tools. Backtesting is how you go from theory to confidence. You have TradingView, which is good for manual testing. There's Trader Edge or Backtester, which is structured journal and performance metrics. You've got HyroTrader Demo and Challenge, which you can forward test your strategies in real time with zero risk and even qualify for a funded account. But remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. But if your strategy never worked in the past, it probably won't suddenly work live. Let's talk about journaling and analytics. Most traders are losing not because of bad analysis, but because they don't track the decisions. That's where trading journals come in. Tools like Edge1 can TraderSync, which are professional level journaling tools, mean that you can tag setups, track R&R, analyze your emotions, check your win rates, your drawdowns, and even the most profitable times of day. You need to build a database of you. You need your own data on yourself. So use Notion or Google Sheets if you're just getting started, but what matters is that you're consistently tracking it. Let's talk about Exo Charts and order flow. Once you're ready for advanced data, Exo Charts is a game changer. You get footprint charts, market profiles, liquidation heat maps. You can see who is entering the market and where, so it's perfect for ByBits or futures traders. It helps spot stop runs, trap traders, and volume clusters before the price reacts. So let's look at CoinMarketCap and some on-chain tools. For macro context and early trends, tools like CoinMarketCap and on-chain analytics can give you an edge. With CoinMarketCap, you can track tokens, news, and fundamental shifts, sentiment in Glassnode and into the block, track wallet behavior, whale flows, and token unlocks. Use these to time rotations and understand the sentiment. So for example, watching stable coin inflows or exchange reserves can signal trend reversals before they happen. So what about sentiment and community tools? Sentiment moves crypto faster than almost anything, so stay plugged in. You can use Twitter, X, to follow smart traders, alerts, and breaking news. You can use Telegram groups or Discord to keep up to date on projects. You can even use the Fear and Greed Index or alternative.me for sentiment at a glance. Just beware, don't trade based just on Twitter. Use it to get context and not signals. There's bonus tools, prop firm integration, because you want to trade like a pro, right? So start integrating your tools into a prop firm structure, like HyroTrader, for example. You can trade on demo and real-time conditions. You pass a challenge and you get a funded account. You get to keep 70 to 90% of the profits, and you can use ByBit, Clio, OKX demo integrations. You can track performance like a real portfolio manager, and this is how you make the leap from independent retail trader to capital-backed, performance-based trader. So there you go. These are the tools top crypto traders are using in 2025 to stay sharp, consistent, and profitable. Start with TradingView in a journal, layer in backtesting and order flow, plug into prop firm opportunities like HyroTrader, and build your edge piece by piece.